Welcome to Ahmedabad Management Association, the special gathering for Indo-Japan Business Seminar. Thank you very much everybody for being with us. I'm Unmesh Dixit, welcoming you on behalf of Ahmedabad Management Association. We are happy to have distinguished guests with us. We will be welcoming Mr. Kshitij Trivedi. He is Assistant General Manager, Industrial Extension Bureau, iNDEXTb, Gandhinagar. I would request Yatindra sir to welcome him. I would request Shri Mukesh Patel sir, Honorary Consul General and past President Ahmedabad Management Association, to welcome Mr. Saito, Takami Saito. He is Director General of Department of Economy and Industry, Shizuoka Prefecture, Government. I would now like to invite Mr. Yatindra Sharma, past President Ahmedabad Management Association and Chairman Indo-Japan Economic Cooperation Council, to give you a formal welcome and theme. Thank you very much.
Yeah, good evening and very warm welcome on behalf of Ahmedabad Management Association. Our guest of honor for the evening, Mr. Takami Saito-san, Director General for Development of Economy and Industry from Shizuoka Prefecture, Shri Kshitij Trivedi, Assistant General Manager, iNDEXTb, Shri Mukesh Patel, Honorary Consul General and past President of AMA, distinguished guests from Hamamatsu city as well as from Shizuoka Prefecture, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great privilege to host you at the premises of Ahmedabad Management Association. And while we look at Japan, the land of rising sun has always got a very special relationship with India in terms of economic, cultural, education, whatever fields we explore, we have very strong bonds with Japan. Economy-wise, if you look at, Japan is one of the major FDI investors in India since year 2000, more than $45 billion investment into automobiles, infrastructure, pharma, and machinery in a very, very big way. We are also equally delighted to have Japan as one of our anchor partner since, I think, 2009. At our one of the very iconic event what we hold every 2 years, that is Vibrant Gujarat Summit. And we really warmly remember this association. While talking about Japan-India trade, that is to the level of $25 billion, but we look forward to much wider and much deeper relationship in terms of economy. Today, Japan has invested in a very big way in automobile industry, in infrastructure, in pharma, and also in engineering. And these are the investments where they have brought out the companies in India, which many of them are much bigger than what they are in Japan. The case in point is Suzuki Corporation. Suzuki operations in India are much bigger than what they are in Japan. And recently, I think last year, we had one of the very interesting news that some of the cars which were built in Gujarat, they are being exported to Japan. Similarly, if we talk about air conditioning industry, Daikin has got one of the biggest operations in their Japanese system. If we talk about one of the plastic engineering, plastic machinery company, that is ASB Nisai, which has got the biggest operation, bigger than Japan in India. So point is that India is a land of opportunity. more than 1,500 companies are already active in India in terms of their investments and business activities. While we look at Gujarat, I think more than 300 Japanese companies are already involved in their various projects in India, in Gujarat. And also we have privilege of having our Japanese friends in Ahmedabad and in Gujarat in very large numbers. While looking at Shizuoka Prefecture and Hamamatsu city, I mean, you hold some of the biggest, enterprises of Japan, and we are very, very excited to have you all over here. And I'm pretty sure that today's interactions in terms of business and the 4 Japanese companies who are going to present their business activities in this business conclave, I think it is going to be a great learning for all of us. With that, I welcome you again and thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Shri Yatindra Sharma, sir. I would now like to invite to address the gathering Shri Mukesh Patel, sir.
Konbanwa, good evening. Are you all very tired? Tsukaremashita ka? Konbanwa, right? For those of you whom I am meeting for the first time, hajimemashite, irashaimase, welcome. And especially the leaders of the delegation, Director, Economy and Industry Department of the Shizuoka Prefectural Government, Takami Saito-san, and also representing the Hamamatsu city, we have, I believe, the Chief Director of JETRO, Kenichi Nakamoto-san. Let us give a warm round of applause for Saito-san and Nakamoto-san. And of course, I would like to very specially also welcome on this occasion the Director General of JETRO Ahmedabad, Mr. Yu Yoshida, along with Director Mr. Satoru Ida. I believe we have our dear friend who's coming again. He was here at the time of the regional vibrant, Mr. Hiroyuki Nakamura-san from the Shizuoka Prefectural Government. He's the Assistant Director. And from the Hamamatsu city, we have the Assistant Director, Mr. Kenichiro Ogura-san. Ogura-san? Oh, okay, no problem. And of course, our great friend, philosopher, and guide is the Industrial Extension Bureau. And I'm very happy that we have Mr. Kshitij Trivedi, the Assistant General Manager, but who is particularly very closely and dedicated to the Japan affairs. So his presence means a lot to us today. My dear friend, Mr. Yatindra Sharma, the Chairman of the Indo-Japanese Economic Cooperation Council. Well, greetings from Mukesh Patel. I am the Honorary Consul for Japan in Ahmedabad and Gujarat. And for me, it is a matter of great pleasure and pride. Ogura-san, may I take your presence? Give a warm round of applause to Hamamatsu city member, the Kenichiro Ogura-san. within these 2 months of January and February, it's been hardly a few weeks to connect the two, because right in the middle of January, we had a wonderful delegation from Shizuoka and Hamamatsu, led by the vice governor of the Shizuoka prefecture and the mayor of Hamamatsu, which was an academic and cultural delegation. And almost within 3 weeks of that, we have this lovely business delegation headed by the members from Shizuoka and Hamamatsu again. So within this short span, as I always say, we have A, B, and C, all the three, complete in a circle. We had the academic and cultural. We had the kite flying, we had the music, as Hamamatsu is known as the city of kites and music. We had the green tea, matcha, Utsav festival from Shizuoka. And we also celebrated, in the presence of our dignitaries, we celebrated the first anniversary of the Shizuoka, Gujarat, and Hamamatsu, Ahmedabad partnerships. Would you like to, Mohammed, very briefly explain to them in a couple of lines what I said? You want to come here? Come here. Don't worry. Mohammed, you can come here. Kishore, now hoyto yawa de. Apo, kare apo. Yeah.
皆さん、この大事なイベントに参加いただきありがとうございました。ムケさん、パテルさん様は言ったのは、2ヶ月ぐらいの間に、インドと日本の間に、いろいろなイベントが行われていました。そして、最近はインドと日本は深い関係を築いています。そして最近は私たちとインドにはいろいろな出来事が行われていて、本当に嬉しかった。
Thank you, Mohammed. So as I was mentioning, it is very heartening that the relations between Shizuoka, Gujarat, and Hamamatsu, Ahmedabad, within a short span of just around a little over 1 year, are growing so well. And for me, particularly as the Honorary Consul here for Japan in Ahmedabad and Gujarat, I wish to take this opportunity to congratulate and thank both the authorities from Shizuoka and Hamamatsu for supporting this all-round relationship on various fronts.
インドのグジャラット州と静岡での関係はだんだん増加しており、この関係は将来にも増加する可能性があると思います。
Thank you very much. I would like to just conclude my welcome and greetings by making a very special mention of our two very dear, I would say almost like partner organizations who have always supported us here at the Ahmedabad Management Association, our Japan Information and Study Center, the Indo-Japan Friendship Association. One is, of course, the Industrial Extension Bureau of the Industries Commissionerate Government of Gujarat. Give a big round of applause to them. Kshitij bhai, please, we look forward to your continued guidance, support and cooperation. And of course, nothing would be complete without the very dynamic support and participation of our friends from JETRO. Yoshida-san, Ida-san, once again we give you a big round of applause. Keep us in the loop with more and more Japanese companies, because as we were discussing and as Yoshida-san often says, we have almost in Gujarat near to 350 establishments, Yoshida-san, Japanese 350 already. So let us try to see we add many more. Maybe I think soon we should be able to cross 500, why not? And have more of the Japanese community living here. Also, you know, we are very happy that the Japanese Association in Ahmedabad actively participates and supports us in our various activities, both, all the three rather, academic, business and cultural. So let us look forward to greater cooperation and partnership, more effective, more successful between both the states and both the cities. And once again, a very warm and cordial welcome. I think today, after the keynote address by Mr. Kshitij Trivedi, we will have the address by Mr. Takami Saito. We have presentations as requested by the Japanese companies, and we would look forward. We have some very interested participants who would like to network with the Japanese companies. So as they say, let's make a very positive beginning, taking forward a leap to our mutual relations, and let our friendship grow at the speed of Shinkansen, the HSR, the high-speed rail bullet train. Thank you once again. Domo arigato gozaimashita.
Would invite Mr. Kshitij Trivedi, Assistant General Manager from iNDEXTb, to give a keynote address. Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. Konnichiwa. I am here to represent Industrial Extension Bureau, which is the official and the only investment promotion organization of the state government of Gujarat. When I received this invitation first, I was always saying, yes, our managing director, Mr. K.C. Sampat, he was actually looking forward to attend this event, but he has sent his regrets, and I'm here to represent the Industrial Extension Bureau. Japan and India, this relationship has been growing since historic times, and is based on not just common friendship terms, but we have this association, this collaboration going on a few pillars. And I'm here to talk what are the actual reasons why this partnership is going strong, was strong, and will be very much stronger in the future too. The Japan and India relationship is based on mutual respect, shared values, and culture and the economic cooperation between the two countries. And Gujarat has always been at the front seat of this association between India and Japan. There are many institutes which are being available in the Gujarat, which are at the right core of strengthening these associations. One such is the Japan-India Manufacturing Institute, JMI. One such is the International Automobile Center of Excellence. These institutes are being developed by Maruti Suzuki and collaboration with the state government. So there are a lot of research activities which is going on currently between Japan and Gujarat. December 24, 2024, we signed one of the most positive agreements, friendship agreements between Gujarat and Shizuoka. And as mentioned by Shri Mukesh Patel Sahab, this entire agreement is based on 4 pillars of association. These 4 pillars are nothing but economy, education, culture, and tourism. And since this agreement is signed, it has been around 14 to 15 months. We are seeing a lot of progress in terms of education areas. I'm being told personally that a couple of startups from Gujarat has already been to the Shizuoka and Hamamatsu Startup Fest, and it has been receiving a tremendous exposure. So my utmost thankfulness to Saito-san and the entire Shizuoka Prefecture government, also to the Hamamatsu city for receiving these 4 pillars in the very positive and energetic way. Now let me touch upon a couple of reasons why I am saying that Gujarat has been at the front way in terms of the economic development of India. Number one, as mentioned by Shri Mukesh Patel, Honorary Consul General, in his welcome address, Gujarat is contributing around 8.2% of India's GDP. Gujarat is leading the way with 17% of India's industrial output, and it is leading the way with 27% of India's merchandise exports. Since 2000, the year of 2000, millennium year, to 2026, Gujarat has always been in the top 3 states of receiving the foreign direct investments in the state of India. And this, ladies and gentlemen, speaks volume about what kind of progress are we achieving. In terms of association, we already have the friendship agreement between Gujarat and Shizuoka. We already have the friendship agreement between Ahmedabad and Hamamatsu, which was signed last year right in the city. I am also thankful to my friends and senior colleagues from JETRO, because Japan has been a partner country since 2009. Every vibrant Gujarat regional global summit, Japan has been one of the partner countries, and alongside the Japan External Trade Organization, JETRO, has been one of the premier partner organizations since 2009. I remember the meeting with Yoshida-san when we asked JETRO to be one of the partner organizations for the first 2 regional conferences, and we received a letter in the written by the embassy that why just 2? Japan will be the partner organization, JETRO will be the partner organization for all the 4 regional conferences organized by the state government of Gujarat. So this is been the kind of values that we are putting in the association between Gujarat and Japan. I have been to Japan twice in my short career. Once I was there in 2013, where I represented one of the private organizations. Last year, 2025, I got a wonderful opportunity to attend the World Expo in Japan, and I was there for straight 16 to 17 days right in the Osaka city. Trust me, I have learned a lot in terms of public administration. I have made very good friends in Japan. I have also learned a lot in terms of discipline about what is the Kaizen, or what is the actual Japanese school of way of working, and implementing those shared principles to improve the public administration has been my way of learning and then implementing. In my opinion, the last way what I want to say is that Japan offers precision and skills, and Gujarat offers scale and opportunity. So today I am here to organize these 2 things, precision and opportunities. Through these wonderful opportunities or of the Indo-Japan Business Seminar. Gujarat has always shown tremendous progress in terms of traditional business sectors like automobiles, pharmaceuticals, petrochemicals, gems and jewelry, and textiles. And we are also taking a big leap in terms of the new emerging sectors to come: semiconductors, green hydrogen, electronics, electrical mobility, and aerospace and defense. And I'm sure with a great collaboration between Shizuoka and Gujarat, we are here to celebrate our partnership. I am being told there are a lot of presentations which are happening after this seminar. So I wish you the best of all the careers and presentations. And in my opinion, as narrated wonderfully by Mr. Sharma, we as the government body, Industrial Extension Bureau, it is my duty to promote investment and to make sure that we attract the investments in the right way from all the foreign companies. So, just to conclude my keynote address, again, I'm very much thankful to the Ahmedabad Management Association. I have been here since last 4 or 5 years, different roles, different stages, and different audiences. So I'm very much thankful to the Ahmedabad Management Association for this wonderful opportunity, inviting me for this keynote address. And I'm also thankful to this audience for listening to me and my words very, very patiently. Just to end the remarks, I wish you the best in the careers and the B2B opportunities that looking forward to in Gujarat. Let's look at Gujarat not just as your investment destination, but your second home to invest, prosper, and grow. Thank you very much. Arigato gozaimasu. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Kshitij, for your informative and inspirational keynote address. I would now like to invite for the address of Mr. Takami Saito, Director General of Department of Economy and Industry, Shizuoka Prefecture, Government. Thank you very much.
Minasan, 皆さん、こんにちは。ケムチュただいまご紹介をいただきました静岡県経済産業部長の斉藤高でございます。静岡県の訪問団を代表しまして、一言ご挨拶を申し上げます。
I am Takumi Saito, Director of the Economic and Industrial Affairs Department of Shizuoka Prefecture, whom you have been just introduced to. On behalf of Shizuoka Prefecture, I would like to offer a few words of greeting.
まずはじめにですね、アーメダバード経営協会関係者の皆様におかれましては、ご多忙の中、私ども静岡県の訪問団を温かく歓迎をしていただき、厚く御礼を申し上げます。
First of all, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to all members of the Ahmedabad Management Association for taking out time of your busy schedules to extend such a warm welcome to our Shizuoka Prefecture delegation.
また、グジャラート印日友好協会会長のムケシュ・パテル様におかれましては、日頃から本県とグジャラート州との友好交流強化にご尽力をいただいております。本日の交流会につきましても、調整をしていただきましたことに対し、心から感謝を申し上げます。
I would also like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Mukesh Patel, President of the Gujarat India-Japan Friendship Association, for his ongoing efforts to strengthen friendly exchanges between our prefecture and Gujarat State, and for coordinating today's exchange meeting.
さて、改めて私ども静岡県の紹介をさせていただきます。静岡県は日本のほぼ中央に位置をしております。東京と大阪をつなぐ新幹線や高速道路も通る交通の便利な地域でございます。
Allow me to briefly reintroduce our delegation. Shizuoka Prefecture is located almost at the center of Japan, making it a region with excellent transportation links, including the Shinkansen bullet train and expressways connecting Tokyo and Osaka.
こうした地理上の利点もございまして、静岡県は製造業が非常に盛んな地域です。インドでも有名な自動車メーカーのスズキ様、バイクや楽器メーカーであるヤマハ様は本県に本社を置く世界的企業であります。
Thanks to these geographical advantages, Shizuoka is a region where manufacturing thrives. World-renowned companies headquartered here include Suzuki Motor Corporation, famous in India for its automobiles, and Yamaha Corporation, known for motorcycles.
また、これらの世界的メーカーを支えます高い技術を持つ企業が多数集積をしている地域でもあります。本日、静岡県から訪問しておりますのも、高い技術をお持ちの企業様ばかりでございます。
Furthermore, the region is home to a large concentration of highly skilled companies supporting these global manufacturers. The companies visiting from Shizuoka Prefecture today are all such highly skilled companies.
さらに、静岡県には世界でも名高い日本最高峰の富士山があるほか、太平洋に面しておりまして、温暖で多彩な自然環境に恵まれ、農業や水産業も盛んであります。
Additionally, Shizuoka Prefecture boasts Mount Fuji, Japan's highest peak and one of the world's most famous mountains. Facing the Pacific Ocean, it enjoys a warm climate and diverse natural environment, fostering thriving agriculture and fisheries.
グジャラート州の皆様にも機会があればぜひ友好協定を結んでおります静岡県にお越しいただければ幸いです。
We sincerely hope that our friends in Gujarat will also visit Shizuoka Prefecture when the opportunity arises.
本日は先ほども申し上げたとおり、製造業が盛んな静岡県からいずれも高い技術をお持ちの企業ばかりをお連れをしております。
As mentioned earlier, today we have brought companies from Shizuoka Prefecture known for its thriving manufacturing sector, all possessing advanced technologies.
ぜひ日印双方の企業間で交流していただくことによりまして、将来的なビジネスにつながりうる出会いがあることを期待をしております。
We sincerely hope that the exchanges between the Japanese and Indian companies will lead to encounters that could foster future business opportunities.
結びに本日お集まりの日印双方の皆様のビジネスのますますのご発展を記念しまして私の挨拶とさせていただきます。
Finally, I conclude my remarks by wishing all the attendees here today from both Japan and India continued and greater success in your business endeavors.
本日はどうぞよろしくお願いいたします。Thank you very much.
Thank you for your time today.
ではただいまから静岡県の企業、静岡県を代表する企業の皆様 参加されているすべての企業ではないですけれども、4社からご紹介、それぞれご自身の企業のご紹介をいただきます。まず最初に木村鋳造所さん、木村ファンドリーさんからご紹介をいただきます。
First, we are going to introduce the company named as Kimura.
My name is Kenji Ohba. Sorry, I can't speak English. Kimura Foundry introduce speak Japanese. 木村鋳造所は鋳造、加工、リバースエンジニアリング、エンターテインメントと大きく分けて4つの事業を展開しております。
Kimura Foundry operates 4 main business divisions: casting, machining, reverse engineering, and entertainment.
鋳造では、自動車用プレス金型鋳物素材、工作機械部品素材、産業機械部品素材をフルモールド鋳造法で製作しております。
In casting, we produce materials for automotive press dies, machine tool components such as beds, tables, etc., and industrial machinery parts, pump casings, engine blocks, etc., using the full mold casting method.
フルモールド鋳造法での生産拠点は2工場あり、年間7万トン生産する能力があります。
We have 2 production facilities for full mold casting with a combined annual capacity of 70,000 tons.
鋳造可能サイズは1ピース40トン、長手サイズは8メーターの製品を鋳造することが可能で、普通鋳鉄、一部中高鋳物を製作しております。
We can cast parts weighing up to 40 tons per piece, and with a maximum length of 8 meters, we produce cast iron parts and some cast steel components.
フルモールド鋳造法とは、作りたい製品と同じ形のものを発泡スチロールで作り、それを金枠に込み、溶けた砂を流し込むと、発泡型が鋳物に置き換えられるという製造法となります。
The full casting method involves creating a mold from expanded polystyrene foam that matches the desired product shape.
発泡スチロールの型製作はデータを活用してすべて NC 機で削り出して製作しております。
The expanded polystyrene molds are manufactured entirely by machining using NC machines utilizing the data.
また 3D プリンターで砂型を製作し、砂型を活用して鋳造する製造法もあり、試作部品やアフターパーツ等を単納機で提供させていただいております。
We also employ a manufacturing method using 3D printers to create sand molds which are then used for casting. This allows us to provide prototypes and after-market parts with short lead times.
普通鋳鉄ですと最短1週間で素材を提供した実績がございます。
For ordinary cast iron, we have a proven track record of delivering material in as little as 1 week.
自動車部品ですとターボケーシングやマニホールド、モーター部品のブラケット、ロボットベースと製造しております。
For automotive parts, we manufacture turbo casings, manifolds, motor component brackets, robot bases, and many other things.
この製造法では普通鋳鉄以外にアルミ材、中鋼、ステンレス材等幅広い材種を製造することができます。
This manufacturing method allows us to produce a wide range of materials beyond plain cast iron, including aluminum, cast steel, and stainless steel.
また、大型マシニングセンターやターニング機、小型5軸マシニングセンターがあり、素材製作から加工まで一貫して生産することができます。
Furthermore, we possess large machining centers, turning machines, and small 5-axis machining centers, enabling integrated production from material fabrication to machining.
リバースエンジニアリング事業では、非接触光学式3次元測定器を活用し、図面のない部品等も現物から製品を具現化するまで対応しております。
In our reverse engineering business, we utilize non-contact optical 3D measuring instruments to handle parts without drawings from physical object to realization of the product.
エンターテインメント事業では、フルモールド鋳造法で培ったデータ作成、発泡型造形技術を応用し、モックアップモデルや看板、フィギュア等を販売しております。
In our entertainment business, we apply the data creation and foam molding techniques cultivated through the full mold casting method to sell mock-up models, signs, figures, and more.
インドでは2024年11月にバンガロールに木村ファンドリーインディアを開設し、私たちが積み上げてきたフルモールド鋳造法の技術を軸に、鋳造技術に関して寄せられたさまざまなニーズを受け止め、鋳造技術支援、技術者育成などの事業を進め、インドの鋳造業や製造事業全体の発展に寄与していく取り組みをしております。
Within India, we established Kimura Foundry India Private Limited in Bangalore in November 2024. Centered on our accumulated full mold casting technology, we are advancing initiatives to address various casting related needs, including casting technology support and technician training, aiming to contribute to development of India's foundry and manufacturing industries as a whole.
鋳造でのお困りごと等ありましたらお声掛けください。Thank you.
If you have any casting related challenges, please feel free to reach us. Thank you very much.
Namaste. 皆さんこんにちは。私も日本語で失礼します。スカイプランニングの高垣邦子と申します。柑橘みかんの生産が盛んな町、日本の浜松市三ヶ日町から参りました。みかんは一説にはインドが原産地と言われているそうです。帰国インドにご縁を感じます。
Hello everyone. My name is Kunio Takagaki from Sky Planning. I come from Mikabi town in Hamamatsu city, a town famous for its thriving orange production. It is said that orange may have originated in India. I feel a connection to your country, India.
それでは当社の製品の天窓スカイトップライトを紹介させていただきます。当社はトップライトメーカーです。工場や倉庫などの金属製の屋根にトップライトを設置しています。自社の工場でパーツを製造し、販売、運搬、施工までを担っています。
Now allow me to introduce our product, the Skylight, Sky Top Light. We are a skylight manufacturer. We install Sky Top Light on metal roofs of factories, warehouses, and similar structures. We handle everything from manufacturing parts at our own factory to sales, transportation, and installation.
日本では物流倉庫、鉄鋼会社の加工工場、
In Japan, we have installed them in logistics warehouses and steel company processing plants.
ホームセンター、
Home centers,
屋外スポーツ施設の屋根、
roof of outdoor sports facilities,
大きいひさし、
large eaves,
これ一つね。違った。すいません。その他自動車メーカーや機械メーカーの生産工場、防災備蓄倉庫などに設置してきました。
and other locations such as automobile and manufacturing, machinery manufacturers, production plants, and disaster preparedness storage warehouses.
写真はありませんが、インドでも有名なスズキ自動車の日本の各工場にも多く導入していただいております。
Although we don't have photos, Suzuki Motor Corporation, famous in India, has also adopted them extensively in its various factories in Japan.
この度、ジョイント式のスカイトップライトを開発し、製品パーツをコンテナで輸送できるようになりました。
We have now developed the joint type Sky Top Light, enabling product parts to be transported by container.
昨年の2月、フィリピンの協力会社が所有する資材倉庫へテスト的に設置いたしました。
Last February, we conducted a test installation at a materials warehouse owned by our Philippine partner company.
これで以上です。すいません。フィリピンは年間を通して日差しの強い国で、眩しさや暑さが懸念されておりましたが、現地の社長よりスカイトップライトを設置する前と後で、室内温度の差はほぼなく、昼間は大変明るくて快適とコメントいただいております。
The Philippines experiences intense sunlight all year round, raising concerns about glare and heat. However, the local president commented there is almost no difference in indoor temperature before and after installing the sky top light. It's very bright and comfortable during the day.
一般的にトップライトから入る光は眩しくて暑いのではないかという心配の声が上がりますが、当社の製品は屋内に入る太陽光線を拡散することで暑さ眩しさを大幅に軽減し、室内を柔らかい光で明るくします。太陽光パネルや蓄電池、超高機能付きの LED 照明とスカイトップライトを併用することで照明用エネルギーの削減効率がアップします。
While concerns are often raised that light entering through a skylight might be glaring and hot, our product significantly reduces heat and glare by diffusing the sunlight entering the interior, brightening the space with soft light. Combining the sky top light with solar panels, storage batteries, and dimmable LED lighting further enhances the efficiency of reducing light energy consumption.
また、静岡県工業技術研究所と九州大学と共同で開発した室内シミュレーションシステムにより、照度分布の等高線やレンダリングを用いて最適なスカイトップライトの配置プランをご提案できます。
Furthermore, using the indoor illuminance simulation system developed jointly with the Shizuoka Prefectural Industrial Technology Research Institute and Kyushu University, we can propose optimal sky top light placement plans using illuminate distribution contour lines and renderings.
このシミュレーションは緯度、経度、日時を設定し、太陽の位置を確定して測定するので、もちろんインドでも活用できます。なんといっても、この技術は静岡県との共同特許なので信頼性も高いです。
This simulation determines the sun's position by setting latitude, longitude, and date time for measurement, making it fully applicable in India as well. Definitely, this technology is a joint patent with Shizuoka Prefecture, ensuring high reliability.
スカイトップライトはエネルギーを削減したい、作業環境を改善したいというお客様の要望から生まれました。このトップライトをインドにも広めたいという思いから今回の視察に伺いました。
Sky Top Light was born from customer request to reduce energy consumption and improve the working environment. Driven by our desire to spread this skylight to India, we conducted this inspection visit.
近い将来、当社の製品が少しでも皆様の会社のエネルギー対策や作業環境の向上の一助となれば嬉しいです。
We would be delighted if our products could contribute even in a small way to your company's energy conservation efforts and improve working environment in the near future.
ご興味ありましたら、ぜひお声掛けください。ご清聴ありがとうございました。Thank you very much.
If you are interested, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much.
皆さんこんにちは。サンケイ株式会社取締役の武田和明と申します。私ちょっと英語喋れないんですけど、英文のカンペを持ってきたので、できるだけ英語で、話させてもらいます。はい、よろしくお願いします。
I also cannot speak English, but I will try my best. So please cooperate with us. Thank you.
Company profile. Our company name Sankei ですね。Yearly sales これは18 billion yen. About 1,000 crore.
10 billion. 10 billion. More than 10 billion.
Yes. Our main products radiator grill and backdoor spoiler, nozzle defroster, gloss box, etc. Interior, exterior resin parts. ですね。で、our main client is Suzuki Motor Corporation. We pursue high quality, high productivity, and cost performance with an integrated production system that includes product design, mold preparation, molding, painting, plating, assembly, and shipping. In recent years, we have been promoting one-step operations that are focused on being Shou-Kei Tanbi, smaller, fewer, lighter, shorter, beauty, stable in production, and labor saving for further automation with the introduction of robots. In product design, the date is created not only for the production requirements of mold feasibility, molding, coating, and plating, but also for defect prediction and countermeasure by performing CAE analysis in-house. In addition, we have know-how in resin molding and integrated production, incorporating VA proposals such as weight reduction and automation. 読めてる？大丈夫ですか？大丈夫。はい。Next. We are also promoting high cycle mold production as a fusion of new technology and mold making. In addition, we are using a metal 3D printer to create high efficiency cooling piping that is impossible to achieve with traditional cutting methods. Each department is working together to develop technology that is unique to integrated production. In addition to upgrading carbon neutral to energy saving equipment, we have also improved quality and productivity. And in order to comply with ELV, we are proceeding with in-house trial and evaluation for molding technology, cellulose fibers materials, and recycled materials. We are also focusing in research and development so that we can flexibly adapt to major changes in the environment. Initiatives for DX and RBA. After establishing a DX development group for overseas recruitment of high-skilled human resources, we are proceeding with the verification of quality, productivity improvement, cost reduction, and maintenance enhancement. In particular, regarding quality, we have started to strengthen our international competitiveness with a focus on globalization. Our aim is to prevent the production of defect products and create factories that cannot produce defects. To realize factories that do not stop, to develop smart factories, and ultimately to achieve unmanned factories. Next, our products. We handle large front-end molded parts such as grills, including plated and painted products. This grill is molded with polycarbonate durable in piano black using a 2,500-ton press. Although the materials is expensive and have a high defect rate, close coordination between production and engineering have reduced defects significantly. By increasing maintenance frequency and improving mold bending, the defect rate has dropped from 60% to under 3%. For rear end parts, we handle a wide range of orders from rear spoilers to small items like naming emblems. Our spoilers are used across all Suzuki models production in Japan. We can handle everything in-house, from design based on specification to evaluation. Showcasing Sankei's technical strengths and responsiveness. For Intel parts, we mainly handle orders for instrument panel components. Our functional parts such as defrosters and glove box are used across all Suzuki models produced in Japan, and highly rated for reliability and quality. In addition, by fully utilizing our integrated production facilities for molding, painting and plating, we are able to support a wide range of products for both interior and exterior applications. Thank you for your attention.
I'm inventor. It's okay. All right. Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Takahiro Ikeda. I'm from the Hamamatsu city. So I was an inventor. So today I will talk about the hololight, which is a pattern forming LED lighting, very, very unique lighting. It has a lot of the application. Okay, Photonics is a startup company from Hamamatsu, but our running year in just 20 years. So founded in the 2006. Next year, I made this hololight using LED lighting. So you can see this like the laser beam, like sunshine light. But it has no application. So I found the very unique application just now. Okay, and now we are changing to the startup company, and also now we are going to the IPO preparation. So this is my background. I was a scientist in the physics and optics and photonics. So I was a professional of the holography. Do you know hologram? Like the 3D display. So I was a researcher on the 3D display and the holography microscopy at MIT. This is now you can see the living cell and red blood cell and white blood cell. So we are the lighting maker now. So mainly we found application for the safety in the factory. So another one is for entertainment lighting and also some of the R&D products. So this is very unique lighting. Now we can control the bird control. So I want to show you the one very unique movie. This is lighting move to the, now you can see a lot of the birds. So in this day, I went to the factory, I look at some of the birds. We can control the using this light. Okay, next one is the entertainment lighting. So this is a new lighting project, luminous wave project. Now you can see the wave on the ocean. We can light up the wave only using blue LEDs. Very, very beautiful movie. So here, we use only 20 unit holo lights, only about the 300 watts. So we can light up the wave only. It's a very beautiful, this is a Japanese technology, and maybe it's India also a lot of have a beautiful beach. So we should try to the technology and new arts. Okay, so mainly product is the safety. So it has a lot of the danger zone in the factory. So our main customer for the metal industry. So if you have an accident, a lot of sorrow for your family and friends, and also company has a lot of loss. So in USA data, so over the 5,000 people per year, and Indian data only 1,000, maybe a lot than 1,000. Okay, so safety is very important using the good education and layout and facilities, sound and light. So this whole light very, very good products, very small, compact, and this is not laser, so I can guarantee your eye safety. So and normal LED low visibility. This is very high visibility. So we found some of the application in the factory for safety. One is the separation line and with the fork trucks. And mainly so we install to the overhead crane. And also we have a very, very strong patent. So here you see this is the Japanese highway. We can ride on the highway road. Okay, this is with crane safety. So we install to the hoist. By lighting distance over the 10 meters, we can indicate the danger zone. This is very innovative application. So we have the R&D team and the manufacturing in the factory and direct sales to the end user. And also we have also the distributor in India, only one distributor in Mumbai. So now we are opening the global market through the exhibitions. So last year we have the exhibition about the 14 times. And you can see here where is the India Automation Expo and IETF in New Delhi. So now we are the number of users. So main market in the USA, very good growing now. So a few users in the India. So now we are looking for the distributor in India also. So this is USA steel industry. At first we found the customer. So very, very big company, our user, Nuclear, US Steel, and so on. So this is last year we have the two trade show in India. Maybe he is a very famous guy. Okay, here I show you our global business team. So we have some of the, he is Mexican and Sri Lankan and Bangladeshi, not yet Indian people. We will employ. So finally, so I want to talk about Yaramaika. We say Hamamatsu dialect. So Yaramaika means let's take on the global challenges. Thank you so much. Too much. Okay. Thank you so much.
May I invite Takami-san, Nakamura-san, and Nakamoto-san. Please come. I would request Mr. Yatindra Sharma to make a few closing remarks, after which we will have a networking with all our Indian friends and Japanese friends. We will go down to the lawn where we have special arrangements for refreshments, etc. After which we will request you to please come up to the Japan Information and Study Center and also finally visit the Zen Garden. Nakamura-san, can you please come and just explain this to all our friends? The plan is first networking session in the garden, in the lawns downside. Then we go up again to the Japan Center on the first floor after the networking and before. Yeah, first we go to the lawn, then we, for networking, then we go to the Japan Center just to see our friendship between this. And finally, before you leave, we will visit the Zen Garden. Okay? So please.
いやすみません、この後多分ご挨拶いただいた後に、下に降りていって、芝生のところでネットワーキングをされるということです。でそれが終わりましたら、またこちらに戻ってきて、ジャパンセンターをご覧いただいて、で最後今まで皆さん入ってこられたあたりに、ゼンガーデンという日本庭園のような日本庭園がここにありますので、そちらをご覧いただきたいということでございます。
Thank you.
friends, we had a very interesting session which on verge of conclusion now. But first of all, I think on behalf of Ahmedabad Management Association as well as Indo-Japan Friendship Association, we would like to extend our sincere thanks to Mr. Kshitij Trivedi for, introducing INDEXTb, one of the premier business promotion organization of state of Gujarat. And I can assure you that if you would like to align with any of the businesses in Gujarat, this is the place where you should get in touch with you. And of course, you have JETRO in Gujarat, so that is kind of a double advantage for any of our Japanese friends who are interested in having business, either doing business or investing in any way. I think you are welcome to meet Mr. Kshitij Trivedi, which will be of a great help to all of you. I would also like to extend our very sincere thanks to Saito-san for extending his very warm greetings from Prefecture of Shizuoka, and also talking about strong India and Japan business as well as cultural relationship, and much more deeper with state of Gujarat, where you have a sister city relationship. So we thank you very much for your very warm greetings. Also, I would like to extend our thanks to Honorary Consul General Mukesh Bhai for giving his warm greetings to all of us. And one of the highlight of this evening has been excellent presentations from our Japanese companies. First, that is Kimura Foundry, led by Mr. Kenji-san. Thank you very much for informing us for the state-of-the-art casting which are being manufactured by your organization. I mean, as a largest piece what you can produce, that is as high as 40 tons. I think it's a great achievement, and it is completely integrated manufacturing operation. So we are sure that you will find your future partner in business in India. Also, I would like to thank Ms. Kuniko-san for giving the brighter side of skylights and state-of-the-art manufacturing of skylights by your organization. Thank you very much. Also, I would like to thank Mr. Kazuaki-san from Sankei Company Limited, where you have high-tech products from your organization. Thank you very much. And also, we would like to thank Mr. Takahiro-san for giving scintillating lighting solutions. And where you are already successful in US, I am pretty sure that you will be equally successful in India. And thank you all for being with us, and join us for refreshments and interactions in the lawn of the EMA. Thank you very much.